11 cool things a house that you can make from everything that is at hand. Surely in every house there are some unnecessary things that lie idle, but it's a pity to throw them away. Today, I bring to your attention a few ideas on how to give such items a second life. Cups with magnets. A great idea so as not to reach for a mug every time, and the kids won't have to call for you every time they can't reach the glass in the tall cabinet. Bright vases. Everyone can make them, you only need transparent bottles and paints. These vases will be a wonderful decoration for your home. Key stash. Hiding the house key under the rug is not at all an option because it is so easy to find, and even a stranger can easily get into your house. Here's a great idea for those who don't take their keys with them. Mobile mat bed. If you have pillows that no one uses and they are lying around, here is a great way to use them. Such a sum will appeal not only to children, but also to adults, because it can be made in absolutely any size. Pallet rack. Such a rack will not require a lot of new materials and will become an additional storage place in your bathroom. Candles from bottles. Such unusual candles will be a wonderful decoration and make your evenings at the dacha more romantic, and an additional benefit from such torches is repelling mosquitoes. Under no circumstances should they be left unattended. Calendar. A perpetual calendar that will never end can easily be made from bricks that children no longer play with. Great idea for those who don't like regular calendars. Table. Such a table can be made from 4 pallets. It looks very unusual and will perfectly complement your interior. Garden tool storage idea. A very convenient way to store various garden tools, and you don't need to think about where to put the pieces of plastic pipes that remained after the repair. Portable hopscotch. A great idea for kids is portable hopscotch. They will need paving slabs and multicolored paints. Children will definitely enjoy this game. Basket out of the box. To create such a basket, you will need a box, rope, some fabric, and glue. You will get a great alternative to those containers that are sold in the store, and it will be much cheaper. If the video was useful, subscribe to the channel, put likes, write comments. Thank you for watching.